Isn't it interesting how great things come from seemingly small at the time conversations that lead to a vision, that lead to a plan of action, that lead to a call to action to create a new healthcare facility in Nashville, the newest healthcare facility in Berrien County. It's just really amazing how that happens. But it always starts with a conversation. Somebody had a conversation that led to this hospital being built in 1965. All right, and then look at what it's done since then. You know, almost 70 years later. What will happen in this new building over the next 70 years? Couldn't be more thankful to the city, county, state leaders that have helped us get to this point, the advisory board, the community leaders. There is a lot of effort to get us to this point, and it's very much appreciated, and I couldn't thank you more. I'll leave you on this. Just like in 1965, somebody traversed the doors of the newest ER in Nashville, Georgia, and they came here because they needed to, and the reason they came was because they knew somebody would be there. I'm going to imagine that it might have been at the most inconvenient time of day, and I can only imagine how much they were hurting and how afraid they might have been, and walking through those doors, how uncertain it was. And then I'm imagining that when they were greeted by these remarkable people that manned this type of facility, that they were immediately comforted, and that someone said, "It's going to be okay. We're going to take great care of you." That's happened thousands upon thousands of times. In October of next year, within a year, that first family is going to walk through this facility and ask for help. And I just think that's going to be another precious time, because that's why this thing is being built. We exist for one reason only, is to take care of people. This is a tool for the clinical team to be remarkable at taking care of people, and that's why we exist. And couldn't be more thankful to be a part of this. So thank you all for your support, and all that are involved, Cawthon, Mac, all the subcontractors. Y'all are very important. Thank you all for making this happen for us.